మీరు మా ఛానల్లో మీ బిజినెస్ ని ప్రమోట్ చేసుకోవాలనుకుంటున్నారా? అయితే మీ బిజినెస్ ఏదైనా మా ఛానల్ ప్రమోషన్తో మరింత అభివృద్ధి చేసుకోండి. వివరాలకు 9100 966079 కి కాల్ చేసేయండి లేదా రంగస్థలం ఫర్ ఆల్ @gmail కి మెయిల్ చేసేసేయండి.
Totally new concept, new type of designs you can see in the silk sarees. Lot of concept. See, this type of khand sarees also available. Pure silk sarees also available like this. See,
Price range, sir?
starting from 130 rupees. See bridal lehenga concept. Super concept. You will see in lehengas also starting from 250 rupees. You can see the lehenga concept. Totally new range, new concept. Starting from 130 rupees only, you will see all the silk sarees. In this, you will find all type of sizes like L, XL, double XL, 3 sizes you will get, and color also you will get different color. You can see how many. We got lot of sampling in kurtis department. See, super material. Hello friends, welcome to Saburi Fashion, and Saburi Fashion is 22 years old firm, manufacturing firm, where you can find all type of sarees. Starting range only 85 rupees, printed saree, work saree, catalog saree, bridal wear saree, silk saree, and after that you will find here kurtis starting from only 85 rupees, palazzo set starting from only 200 rupees, dress material 125 rupees, and lehenga only 250 rupees. So you will see all kind of varieties ladies wear under one roof in Saburi Fashion. Now as you can see, this is the sarees department, and from 85 rupees only you will find all type of printed sarees, catalog saree, work saree, all type of material you can see here. And this is the sarees department. I will start with the sampling. As you can see, this is called Poonam saree, printed saree, daily wear saree, and this range starts from only 85 rupees. And with blouse, you can see, with blouse you will get totally guaranteed material with color and fabric, totally guaranteed. After that you can see the lace and diamond saree. See, like this also you will get starting from only 150 160 rupees. With diamond and lace, you can see the complete in detail, the fabric and the lace, all type of fabric you will get here, and color combination all in detail. You see, totally silk material, fine quality. So this type of concept in daily wear sarees you will get. After that you will see catalog starting from only 200 rupees. You will see catalog, different type of designs collection. In one catalog you will see all different designs. You can sell easily, minimum 30-40% of margin you can keep. Flower design, branded look totally, and at manufacturing price. So this type of catalog you will find at least 100 to 150 catalogs we have in sarees like this. Totally different concept you will get in sarees also, starting from 200 till 500, 600, 700 range you will get in catalogs. Now starting with the fancy range, only starting 150 rupees you will get the fancy sarees range. See. Now this is the fabric name is Burfe silk, and you can see the work detailing, superb. The embroidery is also very nice, multicolor thread work, Swarovski diamond. So all the different type of work you will get in all the different type of designs. Starting from 150 till 2000 you will get the complete range. See. Now this is the brasso look. Brasso fabric with Swarovski diamonds and velvet lace.
Tell me difference between the Shibori and other shops.
Saburi Fashion is a manufacturing firm, 22 years old firm. So we have experience. We know how to give what product to which customer. We know taste of each and every city, area, and about the state. So if you are new in the business, don't worry, we will totally guide you. We will help you to start your new business, and minimum investment 20-25,000 also you can start from home. Also you can start. So this is the support we can give you from our side. So as you can see, you will find all the fancy concepts here. Saree price starting only 150 rupees.
Only 150.
Yes. So this is called Burfe silk, totally embroidered golden jari, Very nice material. As you can see, complete. You will see the whole work till 4 meters. This kind of all fancy concept you will get here in sarees department. Now we'll shift to kurtis and dresses department. So welcome to kurti section. As you can see, there will be a kurti starting from only 85 rupees, dress material 125 rupees. And when you will come to my shop, we will show you all the samples like this. Step by step, you will see all the sampling department. In this starting basic 85 rupees also kurtis you will find.
Only 85 rupees. Sir.
Yes, you can see the quality. See, cloth
Fabric.
rayon.
Rayon.
Yes. In this you will find all type of sizes like L, XL, XXL, 3 sizes you will get, and color also you will get different color. You can see how many. We got lot of sampling in kurtis department. See, superb material.
Minimum purchasing limit, sir.
Minimum purchase you can do from 20 to 25,000 you can purchase and start your own business. See. Plazo set starting from only 200 rupees, top and bottom and top. So this type of kurtis you will get rayon material, cotton material, pure material. After that catalogs you can see starting from only 125 rupees. Only starting 125 rupees catalogs you can see.
Minimum order, sir.
Same amount. Total order you can do it for 25,000. See.
Transport facility, sir.
Totally like VRL transport, Nauta transport, totally the transport facilities available in Surat, and within 4 to 5 days you will get your parcel in your city. See, the gown material. So this type of catalog you will see from starting 125 till 1500. After that suit material, dress material, 3-piece suit, top bottom dupatta starting only 125 rupees. So you can see the samples. We have lot of samples in suit also. Around 1000 samples you will get from 125 till 1500 rupees. See. Superb material, cotton fabric, top quality. Pure cotton suit also you will get like this. Dupatta length also 2 meter, 2.5 meter. After that bottom also 2.5 meter, 3 meter if you want. So this type of dresses you will get lot of varieties in the suit also. See. Dupatta will be of net fabric. So this type of suit you will get in catalog also. You will get daily wear cotton suit. So we are going to support you totally. If you are new in the business, don't worry what is the fabric, how to sell, how to deal with the customer. We will totally support you. We will guide you. See, like this Pakistani suit also available.
Sir, any return option?
Just you can exchange till 6 months. 30% exchange you can do. See. So this is the department of kurtis and dresses. Now we'll go in the fancy department, lehenga, fancy sarees and silk sarees. So welcome to fancy sarees department. As you can see, you will find the complete range of fancy sarees starting from 500 till 5000. Bridal sarees also available. Fancy saree. This you can see. This is the silk sarees department. Starting from 130 rupees only, you will see all the silk sarees. And last you can see the lehenga department. From starting 250 rupees only, you will find the totally lehenga department, lehenga concept. We will start with the sampling. This type of concept you will find here lot of different designs, different collection. See. Completely superb material, superb work, and you can see the finishing. Finishing is superb, very nice. See. So this is just for the idea base. We have lot of samples. You just visit my shop once. The address is given in the description. You can see the number on the screen. You call us. You tell your date and time. We will pick you up from station or airport, anywhere. You just come. See this type of fancy sarees also you can see. Net fabric. Totally heavy work concept. You can zoom and see the
This
concept.
starting price?
Starting 500 rupees. Like this type of concept you will see. Bridal saree concept also available. Starting 700, 800. See. Like this type of concept you can see starting only 700, 800 rupees. So this type of concept you can see in fancy sarees. In lehenga also you can see bridal lehenga concept. Superb concept you will see in lehengas also starting from 250 rupees. You can see the lehenga concept. Totally new range, new concept. As you can see the dupatta concept also. In this you will get 3-piece lehenga, dupatta, blouse and bottom. All type of different range you can see in the lehengas, starting 250 till 10,000.
दुपट्टा लेंथ से
Full 2.5 meter. This type also you will see totally heavy lehenga concept. Superb range you will find. So this type of bridal lehenga starting from 250 till 10,000 you can see. So after this I will show you some silk sarees. This type of silk sarees also available. Superb material you can see. Totally new concept, new type of designs you can see in the silk sarees. Lot of concept. See. So this type of khand sarees also available. Pure silk sarees also available like this. See.
प्राइस रेंज सर
Starting from 130 rupees. See. Superb range you will find. Pure silk sarees also available like this. See.
दिस स्टार्टिंग प्राइस
900 rupees. This just we have shown you the complete video of our shop just for the idea purpose. Once you visit our shop we will totally guide you. Starting 85 rupees our sarees range starts, and minimum investment you can do is 20-25,000, and you can start from shop, from home, anywhere. We will totally support you. Number is given on the screen. Kindly call us for more details. Okay, thank you.
ప్రెస్ చేసి పక్కనే ఉన్న బెల్ సింబల్ నొక్కండి. ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ అవర్ ఛానల్.